Okay, my name is Van. I'm at Marinemax in Lewisville, and we have our XT22 here that we're going to be showing you for a few minutes. This is the big selling point of this boat, is the rear facing seat. So when you're surfing, you can sit here, have someone sit there and watch your surfer. In our cockpit area, as you can see, we have a very large amount of seating here. This is kind of unique. We have the seating that comes up and makes into a rear facing seat so you can watch your surfers and wakeboarders. And then of course we do have the tower with the fold-in board racks, and then we have the speakers, sound speakers up on the tow bar, and then of course a large bimini top. Okay, over here we have our cockpit area, and of course we have our full instrumentation here for our surf systems. And then again we have the storage below the seat here that goes all the way up through the console here. And then up bow, in the bow area, it's huge. It's very comfortable, it's reclining, and basically this is a good place to ride. Again, this is Van Willard with Marinemax in Lewisville. Please give me a call so we can help you with your surfing boat that you might be looking for today.